Welcome to what we proudly call the world's largest tomato farm. Our mission starts here, under these very lights.
It's more than just a farm. It's a precisely engineered ecosystem designed for optimal yield and quality.
Every journey begins with a single step, or in our case, a tiny seed. This is where the magic truly starts.
From a tiny seed to this, perfectly ripe and ready. It's a testament to incredible teamwork.
Our journey begins with selecting the perfect genetic blueprint. The right seed is everything. Each variety is chosen for its resilience, flavor profile, and suitability for our unique conditions.
Precision is key from the very beginning. Each seed is given the best chance to thrive.
We monitor everything from temperature to humidity, ensuring optimal conditions for every single seed.
Within days, these tiny seeds awaken. Each seedling is a promise of future abundance. They are like babies, needing constant care, the right amount of light, and always enough water.
The nutrient profile for seedlings is critical. Too much, too little, and you risk stunting growth.
Healthy root development now ensures a strong, productive plant later. It's foundational science.
Even with automation, the human touch, the farmer's instinct, remains irreplaceable.
These are showing exceptional vigor, ready for the next stage very soon.
Good, we're on schedule. The main greenhouse awaits.
Every one of these starts small. It's amazing to see their journey completed.
Data is our guide. Tracking each tray ensures we provide precise care for optimal growth.
Each seedling needs its space, its light. It sets the foundation for a strong plant.
Air circulation is crucial, especially in this closed environment, to prevent disease.
We're constantly refining our nutrient formulas. Small adjustments can make a big difference.
These first leaves tell us everything. They are the plant's first communication.
Historical data gives us invaluable insights. We learn from every cycle.
Every drop of water is precisely measured. No waste, just what each seedling needs.
Sometimes we assist nature. This ensures the strongest genetics for the next generation.
Precise nutrient mapping ensures uniform development across the entire nursery.
We refine our delivery systems daily to minimize any discrepancies. Maintaining freshness after harvest is just as important as growing them perfectly.
It's incredible how quickly they grow when everything is optimized. Nature amplified by science.
Every tray is unique. Every label, a piece of its story. It helps us track progress.
Once strong enough, these seedlings move to the main growing areas. It's a precisely timed operation.
We aim for 100% nutrient uptake. Every molecule counts in optimizing our yield.
Ready for their new home? They're gonna love the greenhouse.
These troughs are meticulously cleaned and prepared. A clean slate for new life.
The transport process is delicate. We minimize stress to ensure a smooth transition.
Here they come. Everyone, let's get them settled quickly.
Gentle hands, folks. These plants are our future.
Carefully, like this. We want minimal shock for the roots.
A perfect start. Now, they begin their rapid ascent towards fruitfulness.
The lifeline begins. Every plant, every row now receives its precise nourishment.
They adapt quickly. They adapt quickly. In just a few weeks, these plants have truly taken root.
Trellising is crucial. It supports the plant and optimizes sunlight exposure.
As they grow, their nutritional needs change. We adjust in real time.
Every leaf tells a story about the plant's health. We listen intently.
We remove these suckers to ensure the plant focuses its energy on producing beautiful tomatoes.
Temperature and humidity must be consistent, especially for our scale. Deviations can impact growth.
We prefer natural solutions. Biological controls are key to sustainable farming.
The nutrient solutions balance is delicate. Regular checks prevent issues before they start.
Optimizing light cycles for growth stages is critical. It's all about precision agriculture.
The first fruits. It's always a beautiful sight, the culmination of so much effort.
Some varieties need a little extra help with pollination to ensure good fruit set.
We're seeing excellent fruit development across the board. The systems are working.
Resistance to common diseases is bred in from the start. Prevention is always better.
Early detection is key. We are always vigilant, like detectives for our plants.
Preventative maintenance keeps everything running smoothly. No surprises, just consistent output.
This cluster is coming along beautifully. The fruit set is excellent.
Yes, it's a very promising section, Doctor.
Every tomato handled with care, even by machine. Quality control, end to end.
Our closed-loop hydroponic system uses 90% less water than traditional farming. It's incredibly efficient. The plants grow remarkably fast, so we must keep up with their needs, giving them constant support.
Our surveillance system isn't just for security. It's a vital tool for real-time problem solving.
We delve into the cellular level to understand true plant vitality. It's truly fascinating.
It's a small touch, but it guarantees a higher fruit set, ensuring our yield.
Efficiency isn't just about output. It's about minimizing our environmental footprint.
Good weight, even size. These are developing beautifully right on target.
Cleanliness is vital to prevent disease. We keep our environment as sterile as possible.
We predict weeks in advance to manage our climate controls proactively.
This growth is fantastic, Maria. Your team's dedication is evident everywhere. Thank you, Doctor. We all love these plants.
From the plant to the customer, every step is tracked for efficiency and freshness.
Innovation is embedded in our farm's DNA. We're always seeking better ways.
Good air circulation is like a gentle breeze. It makes the plants strong and happy.
We power much of this operation with clean energy. Sustainability is paramount.
It's always breathtaking to see them reach for the sky, isn't it?
Every time, Anya. Every single time.
This is a continuous dance. The plants grow and we respond, always supporting.
We model everything. Predicting outcomes minimizes risks and maximizes our potential.
Even subtle differences in mineral composition can dramatically affect fruit flavor and texture.
Every plant is inspected, every weak link removed. It keeps the whole system strong.
Pure water, pure nutrients. It's the foundation of healthy growth.
Look at this life. Soon, these green gems will transform into vibrant red.
There it is, the first blush of red. It's always a beautiful moment. We're looking for that perfect balance of color and firmness. Timing is everything for flavor.
Our sensors predict ripening with incredible accuracy. We're ready for the harvest wave.
The first wave is upon us. Let's make sure we're ready for peak quality.
The taste test is the ultimate quality check. Sweetness, acidity, texture, all must be perfect.
A gentle twist, just so. No pulling, we want to respect the plant.
Logistics are paramount during harvest. Every team needs to be in the right place at the right time.
Remember, we handle each tomato as if it's the only one. Gentle, precise, always.
The fruit of our labor, quite literally. This is what it's all about.
They are perfect, Doctor. Ready for the world.
The pipeline is full. Now, the packing team takes over.
Only the best make it through. Our standards are non-negotiable.
A strong skin provides natural protection, reducing spoilage and waste.
Each tomato is precious. We handle them with the utmost care, from vine to bin.
Dispatch, this is Ben. Prepare for a large outgoing shipment. Target market.
Target market's ready.
Smooth transfer. Keep the flow steady, team.
Technology empowers our human touch. It makes the impossible scale achievable.
See this shade of red? That's when it's perfect. Not before, not after.
Harvest is strong and consistent. Maintain steady flow, no bottlenecks.
These machines classify hundreds of tomatoes per second. Unparalleled accuracy.
Taste it. This is what all the science is for.
Perfection. Sweetness and tang, perfectly balanced. High bricks. This means incredible sweetness. Our plants are truly happy.
The sheer volume is staggering. We're talking millions of tomatoes ready for market.
Speed with gentleness. That's the challenge, and we meet it every day.
Our goal is to get the freshest tomato to every table. Packaging plays a huge role.
Each one a jewel. It's rewarding to see all our hard work come to fruition.
Weather and traffic can impact deliveries. We adapt to ensure freshness on time.
Cleanliness is paramount. No residues, just pure, fresh tomatoes.
The seal ensures maximum shelf life, locking in freshness from farm to fridge.
Precisely. No compromises on preserving quality.
Invisible stresses can be revealed. It's a layer of protection for our plants.
Our reach is global. These tomatoes feed families across continents.
Automated stacking ensures stability and maximizes space in transit. Every detail matters.
It's a sea of red. Our commitment to growth is truly bearing fruit.
Even at this stage, we are fine-tuning. Every plant needs precise attention.
Small adjustments, quickly. That's how we prevent problems from escalating.
Keep them moving. Every minute counts to maintain that peak freshness.
Our flavor consistency is unmatched. A delicious tomato every single time.
Plenty more to come in this section. The plants are still producing beautifully.
Good. We'll maintain our harvest schedules, ensuring peak ripeness.
This is the true measure of our success. The sheer volume of fresh,
high-quality tomatoes.
Every truck, every shipment, carefully prepared for its journey.
Demand continues to grow. We're a critical part of the global food supply chain.
Even the used substrate is analyzed. We learn how to improve for the next cycle, always.
Growth is continuous here. As one cycle ends, another begins seamlessly.
Our commitment to quality extends to AI. Only perfect tomatoes reach the market.
We're not just expanding, we're building the future of sustainable agriculture.
Always experimenting, always seeking the next best tomato. It's exciting work.
Our environmental impact continues to shrink, even as our output grows.
It's a testament to smart design and relentless optimization.
Traceability is paramount. Every tomato's journey clearly documented.
We're building AI that predicts health issues days before they appear. It's truly revolutionary.
You have to develop a keen eye. The plants will tell you what they need.
These systems are the brain of our operation. Understanding them is paramount.
Even our packaging is evolving. Less waste, better for the planet.
We've achieved a 15% improvement in nutrient uptake. It's a game changer.
Robotics assist us, but the human eye ensures art and science combine.
This is why we do it. Knowing our tomatoes bring joy to tables around the world.
From plant to package in record time, always prioritizing quality and cleanliness.
Even after harvest, plant health is crucial for continuous production. It's a cycle.
Oh, wow. We nurture entire ecosystems, even microscopic ones, to support our plants.
Transparency is key. Our clients see the quality control every step of the way.
Every document perfect. No delays, no complications.
The future of farming is even more integrated, more precise. We're designing it now.
From tiny flower to this delicious fruit. Wow! It's truly amazing, isn't it?
Every sensor, every system working in harmony. It's a symphony of growth.
Another perfect order delivered. Freshness guaranteed every time.
Oh, Maria, look at this one. A hidden gem. Ha! This one didn't want to leave the vine.
Growth isn't just about plants. It's about a thriving business, feeding more people.
Predictive analytics is reshaping agriculture. We can see the future and plan for it.